Hi, boys and girls. Today you are taking your Lesson 13 math quiz for understanding sums greater than 10. Let's get started. When you first open up your Google Slides, you're going to see that it's 2 pages. Make sure you put your name at the top. I'm going to make mine in the present mode, the very large mode, and blow it up. You can't type in it that mode or move anything around, but I'm going to make it big so we can all see. If you need to zoom yours, to type in it, you're going to go over here and you're going to zoom it here. If you want to make yours big, you can zoom yours in like that, but I'm going to make my whole page. All right, so here we are. I have the whole screen for us to look at. So you are going to put your name up here at the top. Let's go through quickly, and I'm going to read to you the math problems and show you a couple tips, and then you can go back and open up your Google Slides and take your math quiz. Here we go, number 1. Number 1 says find the partner and total. And I've done a little editing here for you, and I've circled one number, and I've put a box around another number, and a big rectangle here around the total. So here we go. I have 10 plus 2 equals 12. So on my 10, I have a red box around the 10. My 2 is circled and a big purple box around the whole thing to show you the pattern. Because if math is a pattern, we're going to have the same thing for every row of squares. So if this is my 2 here, and the gray squares are my 10, then 12 equals 9 plus, what's the pattern? Here's my 9 squares. My other number would be the ones I circle. What's the other number? 9 plus, you need to fill that in the red text box, and so on, following the pattern. Number 2 says, color the 10 frame, then complete the number bond and number sentences. I did not actually give you any counters to move and color this time. I'm going to let you use your visual mind. So try to imagine it. So if 14 is my whole number, one part is 8. What's my other part? So here's my 8. And I just need to count on to figure out how many I have until 14. What's that other number? Remember, boys and girls, when we're doing number bonds, I can always pretend, or you can get a piece of paper at home and I can make 14 dots. I can cross out 8 of them. The other number I have left is my other part. What 2 parts equal 14 when one of them is 8? The second page has draw to show partners of 16 and 17. Complete the number bonds and number sentences. 16, 7, and what's my other number? Again, on a piece of paper at home, boys and girls, you can draw 16 dots. Cross out 7 of them. The number you have left is this other partner. What plus what equals 16? Remember, we're using the numbers in my number bond. You can't just put 10 plus 6. Yes, 10 plus 6 is 16, but we are using the numbers from the number bond. Let's do it again with 16, with one of the parts is 8. So I'm going to make 16 dots. I'm going to cross out 8 of them. How many do I have left? That's my other part. I'm going to put that into a number sentence. And then following that same pattern for this number bond at the bottom, using 17 and one part of 8. Boys and girls, if you have any questions, make sure you message your teachers. And I know you're going to do a great job on this test. Have a great day.